Start by washing and cutting approximately 250 grams of broccoli into small florets. This will be the star ingredient of our nutritious pasta dish. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. Add minced garlic and the broccoli florets. Season with salt and sprinkle some water to help the broccoli cook properly. Cover and cook until the broccoli becomes tender. Meanwhile, prepare the pasta. In a separate pot, bring 3 to 4 cups of water to a boil. Add salt and a tablespoon of olive oil to prevent the pasta from sticking. Now add your pasta to the boiling water. Cook the pasta for about 5 to 6 minutes until it's al dente, still slightly firm when bitten. Strain and set it aside while we prepare our sauce. Take the cooked broccoli and grind it with 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to create a smooth paste. Now for our creamy white sauce. In a pan, add a tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour and mix well to form a smooth paste. Pour in 1½ cups of milk gradually while stirring. Add a teaspoon each of mixed herbs and red chili flakes for flavor. Stir continuously until the sauce thickens. Now add the broccoli paste to our white sauce along with a 1/4 cup of water. Season with salt and mix everything well for a uniform consistency. Grate the cheese cubes into the sauce and stir until completely melted. Now add our cooked pasta and toss gently until it's well coated with the creamy sauce. Your delicious and nutritious broccoli pasta is now ready to serve. Garnish with some red chili flakes for an extra kick of flavor and visual appeal. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Take care and happy cooking from P. Bhatt's Kitchen.